Nga Kerteng Gabs Gabi from Africa, guys. So I'm currently in Shillong with my brother here. First, say hi.
Hello guys, how are you? This is
Yeah.
Reynard.
Chicken liver with some onion. Now, so the next one
And
is.
this is boiled chicken mixed with egg.
Oh, this is the Jadoh in general, guys. I'm ready to go, but before that, I want to say jali jali oh Jadoh Jadoh pitang shuang layo pitang
Shillong.
layo
Yes.
pitang shuang layo jali jali oh Jadoh Jadoh pitang shuang layo. Starting with this mixed egg with the chicken, guys. Kabang. How you say? Kabang.
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 Kabang ha.
Kabang ba, guys. This is so nice, guys. It's not like that spicy because I'm not big fan.